Hey, love, welcome back. I am Suad, and this is day two of our Confidence While Healing series. If you are just joining, we are learning how to grow, rise, and reclaim our power, even while we are still healing. Today, we are talking about the battle between self doubt and self compassion, and how choosing one over the other can completely shift your confidence. Self doubt says you are not ready, you are not good enough, you always mess it up. But self compassion says you are learning, you are growing, you deserve to keep going. The voice you choose become the reality you live in. For years, I let self doubt sit in the driver's seat. Every time I wanted to try something new, speak up, show up, that voice came back. You really, who do you think you are? But one day I asked myself this: what if I spoke to myself the way I speak to someone I love? Will I be so harsh, so unforgiving, so critical? That moment changed everything, because the truth is, self-doubt cheers it cheers you down. Self-compassion builds you up, and confidence, it grows in the soil of compassion. Here is the shift: you don't have to be your biggest critic. You can choose to become your strongest supporter. When you mess up, speak gently. When you fall, say, I am still learning. That is how confidence is built, not in perfection, but in permission. Here is your journal prompt today. Write this down and speak it out loud. I am allowed to grow gently. I am learning, not failing. Then ask yourself, what will self compassion say to me today? Let her speak. If this message hits your heart like it did mean when I first lived it, subscribe right now. You are just getting started. And we are just getting started. And the next week, Thursday, we are talking about releasing shame and how that unlocks your next level. What's one thing you will say to yourself with compassion today? Share it below or write it down in your journal. Let's rewrite our inner dialogue together. Speak to yourself with love. You're worth it. Suad.